Welcome to the ABC Learning.
Yo, what's up, kiddos? Y'all ready to rock those ABCs? Let's roll. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q,
R, S, T,
U,
V,
W.
X, Y, and Z. Boom! Now I know my ABCs. Next time, y'all better sing with me. Come on, little ducks. Let's jam it one more time. Let's roll. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
Q,
R, S, T,
U,
V,
W.
X, Y, and Z. Boom! Now I know my ABCs. Next time, y'all better sing with me.
Hello kids, what's up? Ready to learn your ABC? Because learning ABC is going to be awesome. A for apple. A for apple. Yeah, it's cool. B for bat. B for bat. Yahoo! Fun! C for cat. Oh, it's so cute. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. Its sound bow bow. E for elephant. E for elephant. It's so big. F for flower. F for flower. G for grapes. G for grapes. It's yummy. H for heart. H heart. I for ice cream. Ice cream. Ooh, it's cold. J for juice. Juice. Yum. K for kitten. K for kitten. Little kitten. L for letter. L for letter. M for monkey. Say it with me. Monkey. M for monkey. N for nuts. Nuts. N for nuts. O for orange. Big orange. P for potato. Yum, potato. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for robot. R for robot. S for snake. Snake. Yahoo! That was fun. T for tiger. Tiger. T for tiger. U for uniform. Uniform. Say it with me. Uniform. V for vase. V for vase. W for water. Water. W for water. X for X-ray. X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yoga. Y for yoga. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Say it with me. Zebra. Awesome job today, superstars. That was fun. See you next time. Don't forget to practice. Catch your letters. Bye bye now, ABC Rockstars. Let's guess alphabet. Guess the alphabet. K. It's K. K for kite. Guess the alphabet. A. It's A. A for apple. Guess the alphabet. E. It's E. E for elephant. Guess the alphabet. M. It's M. M for monkey. Guess the alphabet. I. It's I. I for iron. Guess the alphabet. H. It's H. H for hen. Guess the alphabet. B. It's B. B for banana. Bye bye kiddos. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. And don't forget to click the subscribe button.
My little champs, I hope you enjoy this lecture. So bye-bye, kids, and forget to click the subscribe button.